This video is an overview of how to set up the Intex 2006 liters per hour filter pump. The pump is intended for use with 366 centimeters and smaller above-ground pools. Setting up your pump is simple and easy. All you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver. It is important to read and follow all the instructions and recommendations in your owner's manual. Failure to do so could result in injury or product damage. Please follow these recommendations when setting up your filter pump. The pump should be as far from the pool as the hoses will allow. Your pool must be at least 3.5 meters from the electrical outlet. Do not plug the pump into an electrical outlet until you have finished setting up the pump. Do not turn the pump on unless the pool is filled with water to the proper level. Do not operate the pump when there are people in the pool. The pump electrical cord must be able to reach a GFCI or RCD protected electrical outlet without using an extension cord. Follow the instructions in the manual to test the equipment using the GFCI or RCD buttons on the plug. Do not use the pump if the outlet is not functioning properly. Disconnect the power cord until the fault has been identified and corrected. Locate the inlet jet and the strainer and nozzle. Screw the strainer onto the nozzle. Secure it with the provided screw using a Phillips screwdriver. The inlet jet is complete as provided. There are two holes in the liner, each with a short black tube protruding from the pool. A higher one on your left as you face the pool, and a lower one on your right. Lay out your hoses, inlet jet, and strainer nozzle. Start with the inlet jet and the upper hole on your left. From inside the pool, insert the inlet jet all the way into the black tube. From outside the pool, slide a hose over the black tube and secure it with a clamp. Hand tighten only. Continue with the strainer nozzle and the lower hole on your right. From inside the pool, insert the strainer nozzle all the way into the black tube. From outside the pool, slide a hose over the black tube and secure it with a clamp. Place the filter pump midway between the hose connectors on your pool. Connect the hose from the right side of the pool to the upper filter pump connector. Tighten the thumb screw. Next, attach the hose on the left side of the pool to the lower pump connector and tighten the thumb screw. Verify that all the thumb screws are tight and the hoses are properly secured. Check that the pump is as far from the pool as the hoses will allow, so it cannot be used to climb into the pool. Confirm that the filter cartridge is properly installed. Remove the filter housing collar with a counterclockwise rotation, then remove the cover. Lift the filter and check that the O-ring is in place inside the housing. Carefully replace the filter, the cover, and the collar. The collar should be hand-tightened only. Using your garden hose, you may now fill your pool with water. The walls of the pool will rise as it fills. Check again that the bottom of the pool is not wrinkled. Smooth out the liner if necessary. Stop filling your pool just at the bottom of the inflated ring. It is very important not to fill the pool above the bottom of the inflated ring. Overfilling the pool can cause it to collapse, which may result in product damage or personal injury. If the pool has been overfilled, open the drain to reduce the amount of water in the pool, then recheck that the pool is level. When the pool is properly filled, the pool bottom will be wider than the inflated ring, and the ring will be centered over the liner. Follow the instructions in the manual to release air trapped in the hoses and unit. Open the air release valve at the top of the filter housing to purge air from the system. It may be helpful to gently shake the hoses to release trapped air. When water emerges from the release valve, close the valve finger tight. The pump is now primed. Plug the electric cord into the GFCI or RCD outlet to begin operation. Refer to the manual for the recommended number of hours to run your filter. The filter cartridge will clean effectively for about 2 weeks. At that time, check to see if it needs to be replaced. Refer to the manual for replacing the inlet jet and strainer nozzle with the provided black hat-shaped plugs inside your pool. Then, open the pump air valve, unscrew the housing collar, and remove the cover. Examine the filter cartridge. If your cartridge is dirty or brown in color, try spraying it clean with a garden hose. If it cannot be rinsed off easily, the filter should be replaced with cartridge number 29000 marked A. With proper care and maintenance, your filter system will give you years of clean, fresh water.